Our visit to KL Bird Park was something we charted already in our tour itinerary. Chalo, let's go. Let's go. Okay, this direction. Okay, go, go, go. Both sides? No, this way. Okay. Okay, done. Birds here wouldn't go out because as all entire area, the acres of land is netted. Being netted, so therefore what happens, they will stay back. And they're very friendly with the people out here. They know that we are taking a video. Okay, hi you guys, how are you? There is a fish food dispenser on the way. You can pick up a ball of food by just inserting 50 cents and you can feed the fish. White peacock.
Sarah, look camera, Sarah, friend. Look, Sarah.
Donna, handsome, Sarah. Just on 15 ringgit, your happiness becomes celebrated. I can't just move out of it. I really loved it. Wow. I love you, Lorry. This is one of the very finest and attractive which we have experienced is lorry feeding. The lorries come climb near to you and settle in your hand, where you are feeding them with a vessel of milk. Some of them are very close, they sit on your shoulders, some will try to see your bracelet and chip onto your ears. So funny, I really love it. Over. I did some loving birds and like. Our visit to KL Bird Park was something we charted already in our tour itinerary. The entry ticket cost per head is 63 ringgit, which will be like for 2 Indian people 120 ringgit. That comes about 2,142 Indian currency. But I must tell happily it's worth. Children will about 42 ringgit. And however, there is a lot of concessions for senior citizens, and also has something called My Card, a royal card. I think will have relatively low price on tickets. World full of birds, which is spectacular and tropical paradise you witness on your 3-hour walk to see and rubaru with friendly birds. Many will think just like a friend that is in front of you. അങ്ങോട്ട് മതി.
In zone 3, and today we are going to feed two of them, which is the great hornbill, the one in the cage over here, and the rhinoceros hornbill, the one in the tube over there. So again, there are different species, alright? Different species, rhinoceros hornbill and great hornbill. You can tell the difference by looking at the shape of horn. Right now, for hornbill, we can actually identify their genders by looking at the color of eyes. So the male, they have red eyes, just like this one. And while the female, they have white eyes. It's not the rhinoceros hornbill. So that one is a female, and this one over here is a male. Yeah, that's right. And they're also omnivores, so they feed on not only fruits but also meat. We're done. If you want to wash your hands, see, so we have
Yes, I already washed.
Wow!
Maria.
Wow!
Yeah, okay.
Thing which we have seen in the bird park is unique atmosphere for any birds other than the small ones. Any birds like peacocks, flamingos, swan can freely fly in the forest-like park. The entire area is netted on high-rise, so they do feel free for flights, and the birds are seen so adapted, so well with the environment, is that they can breed naturally. Authorities have made it very clear to the forest-like environment, like fallen leaves, branches and twigs, all that makes it too conducive for breeding and successful seasons, have proved it for them it's worth it. I must say, you must go and watch the bird park. And the gift shops are available, and also has a restaurant named Hornbill. Since we are more into looking at the birds, we do not go to the restaurant, but gift shops, yes. Just continue watching our channel and send us your comments, suggestions, and like as well share to your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching the TKF channel. We're honored. Please do subscribe. Those who have not subscribed, and just tap the bell icon so that you will get alerts from the time to time. Thank you very much.